Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're here, you're probably looking to team up with your partner on Monarch Money, that awesome app for managing your finances together. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to add a partner, so you can share budgets, track expenses, and build your financial future as a team. This is perfect for couples who want to stay on top of their money without any hassle. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Monarch Money app installed on your phone and that you're logged into your account. If you haven't already, download it from your app store. It's free and user-friendly. Once you're in, head to the main dashboard. Look for the profile icon or settings gear, usually in the top right corner. Tap on that to open your account settings. Now, in the settings menu, scroll down until you find the Partners or Family section. This is where the magic happens. Tap on Add Partner, and you'll be prompted to enter their email address, the one linked to their Monarch Money account. If they don't have an account yet, they'll need to sign up first, so send them a quick heads up. After entering the email, hit Send Invitation. Your partner will receive an email notification with a link to accept the invite. Once they accept, their account will be linked to yours. You might need to confirm the connection on your end, so keep an eye out for a pop-up or notification in the app. And just like that, you're connected. A quick tip. Make sure both accounts are updated to the latest version of the app to avoid any glitches. Also, remember that adding a partner gives them access to shared data, so discuss what you're comfortable sharing beforehand. There you have it. Adding a partner to Monarch Money is straightforward and takes just a few minutes. Now you can collaborate on your finances, set joint goals, and make smarter decisions together. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.